example number 2. Find f sub xyy for the functions of x and y is equal to sine x squared y. So let's first differentiate the function with respect to x. So we will treat y as constant. We will be using the chain rule in finding the derivative of this function. So the derivative of sine is cos x squared, cosine x squared y, and then the derivative of the inside function, which is the x squared y, is with respect to x is 2xy. So 2xy times cosine x squared y is equal to 2xy cosine x squared y. So we have now the first partial derivative with respect to x. Then we will differentiate this function with respect to y. So let us first differentiate the second function. This is the f of x, and this is the g of x, the second function. So the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So I am using the chain rule in finding the derivative of cosine x squared y. So, and then the derivative of the inside function, which is the x squared y, is with respect to y is x squared. So the derivative of g of x is equal to negative x squared sine x squared y. So we have now the derivative of the second function is 1. So we will differentiate this function with respect to y using the product rule. So using this formula, we have now the copy the first function 2xy times the derivative of the second function, which is negative x squared sine x squared y, plus the derivative of the first function, which is 2x. Since we are differentiating it with respect to y, we have now 2x, and then copy the second function, which is cosine x squared y. Using the multiplicative inverse, we have now negative 2x cubed y sine x squared y plus 2x cosine x squared y. And then lastly, we will differentiate this function with respect to y. And in differentiating this function with respect to y, we will be using the sum rule. So we have the first function, f of x, and then the second function, the g of x. So we need to find the derivative of the first and second function as to the formula of the sum rule. In using the product rule, this one, product rule, we have this, and then the same, using the product rule, we have this. So using the multiplicative and additive inverse, we have now negative 2x cubed times the quantity of x squared y cosine x squared y plus sine x squared y minus 2x cubed sine x squared y. Using the multiplicative inverse, we have now negative 2x to the power 5y cosine x squared y minus 2x cubed sine x squared y minus 2x cubed sine x squared y. So using the additive inverse, we have now negative 2x to the power 5y cos x squared y minus 4x cubed sine x squared y. So This is the f sub x y y.